Sorry, here's a second. I just had to start another tape. Finger slipped out, I hit a button. But remember, this is on an iPod. She kind of crashed. That's what happens when your mom drinks beer and has a dirt bike. Just make sure you warn her before she tries to combine the two. You okay? And if you didn't watch the small first part of the video, then do it, please. Just leave comments, subscribe, stuff like that. It's not the end of the video, because I'm going to do a little mud ride on my 110. Now, I'm not as crazy as my mom, no. I've gotten used to four-wheelers for a while, so not used to dirt bikes anymore as it used to be. What's wrong?
I guess it's flooded. Look at the big ass deer track.
I know. I bet Brandon would be all over this spot if he saw these deer tracks. Just
Neutral. There's a fine line on my motorcycle where neutral's at first. Come
there's a
on.
fine line in first gear of my 110 between you flying off the back of it. Because that thing throw you in first.
I see a bigger butthole.
Dirt.
Oh, tell me it's not. This motherfucker's off the goddamn property.
That's what happens when you rev it and quickly. That's what happens.
I tightened the chain up for a lift. At least hopefully they got around the other one.
Technical difficulties. And if you can't do this, we're gonna have to call Nick. Again.
I tightened this son of a bitch up.
Let's see, this is like the 4th time we called Nick for technical help.
So Thursday will get mad.
Well, that's not surprising. She looks like a monkey whenever she's riding on back of the dirt bike he has.
You can turn the video off now.
Yeah, we'll video it again when Nick gets here. Well, subscribe, leave comments, and kids, do not give your mom beer and let her ride a motorcycle.
Stop.